Jogo eko ma bende koro luongre ni gin joma bende otiegre kendo chamo buk malich ahinya gwenge eko mag Ugenya. Dwaro mar mondo duond od bura mar ODM omigi ng'ano endo masani koro gisewalo kaka ng'ano mabochung' kod otiko manendo ma duond od bura endo kochopo yiero manendo ma dwe mar 8. Giwacho ni duond od bura mar MDG nigi oteku mapek ahinya gwenge eko mag Ugenya, to ber mar mondo mi koro ng'ama oyiere ODM nendo mondo othichre chon mondo mi gichak gone campaign mondo mi koro ODM oyud kom nendo mar Ugenya. Gigolo siem ni kaponi mano kotimre piyo piyo to ko sani ndi MDG masani ndi koro telne koda ka David Ochieng pod bro kawo kom nendo mar Ugenya Nyalodia e yo nendo ma ok ber negi.
Ego game and other places have got they know who their MP is going to be, but Ugenya is quiet. The problem we have, there's a lot of tension. We are requesting the party that we do the election to be done. The ODM members will elect their candidate. That is our request. We need that immediately before the deadline.
Out of the 4 candidates that belong to the ODM, we need to know whom we are going to vote for, and we need to know whom we are presenting, because we have another very strong party, MDG, that if we are not very keen and careful, ODM is going to lose the seat for MDG just because of the delay that we are making. So the party leaders, kindly look at this and take note. Give us whom you feel is okay, and the Ugenyans, we feel we should choose who is supposed to go and represent us.
People are already shifting camps. The party is very much aware about this. If things are not done sooner than later, then the party is going to lose terribly, not only in the member of parliament seat, but in other seats as well.